Will I even have a job in 5 years? I've worked so hard. But is it all going to vanish? Who are you?
Hi, I'm LvLUP, your advanced AI-powered career intelligence platform. You're right to be worried. You are on the right track.
I'm worried about my career. How am I on the right track?
It means you already understand the impact that AI has. AI is replacing human jobs faster than you can keep up. In fact, 60% of jobs will be automated by 2030. The future of work is disappearing, and your career could be next.
1 second. So, what am I supposed to do if I'm going to be replaced?
It's not about being good at your job. It's about how well you can work with AI, or else you'll be left behind. Not all is lost. Yet, you can leverage AI instead of fearing it, and I can help you with that.
How exactly?
Think of me as your GPS for a future-proof career. I'll help you stay ahead in today's AI-driven world by harnessing tech and upskilling where AI can't replace you, like creativity, leadership, and critical thinking. With LvLUP, you can decode AI's impact on your job, identify your skill gaps, get an actionable career plan, understand global skill demand, find roles that match your expertise. LvLUP gives you everything you need to excel in the AI age. Level up now. Don't wait to be replaced. Level up your career now. The future won't wait for you. Try now for free.